Picture this. You're out on the lake, the sun is shining, and the fish are biting. You cast your line, feeling the thrill of anticipation. Suddenly, your line goes slack. You reel it in, only to find a tangled mess instead of a fish. Frustration sets in. This, my friends, is the angler's bane, the dreaded line tangle. Line twist is a common culprit. It happens when your line spins as you retrieve it, especially with lures that spin or fish that fight by twisting and turning. This twisting can quickly escalate into a bird's nest of knots, costing you precious fishing time and often your prized lure. But fear not, fellow anglers. There's a simple solution, the snap swivel. Your line's best friend. A snap swivel is a small but mighty piece of fishing tackle that can save you from the agony of tangled lines. It's essentially a small metal shaft with two swiveling ends, each equipped with a snap. One snap attaches to your fishing line, while the other connects to your leader or lure. As the name suggests, the swivel's magic lies in its ability to rotate freely. This rotation counteracts the twisting forces generated by spinning lures and fighting fish, preventing the line from kinking and tangling. The result? A smoother, more enjoyable fishing experience with fewer frustrating interruptions. Types and uses. Snap swivels come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific fishing situations. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, understanding the different types of snap swivels can significantly enhance your fishing experience. Let's explore some common types and their specific uses in more detail. Barrel swivels. These are the most common type, featuring a cylindrical body. They are designed to reduce line twist and are incredibly versatile. Barrel swivels work well for a wide range of fishing applications, from freshwater to saltwater fishing. They are particularly useful when you're using live bait or trolling. Rolling swivels. These swivels have a ball bearing system for smoother, faster rotation. This design minimizes friction and allows for a more natural bait presentation. They're ideal for use with spinning lures or when targeting fast-moving fish like mackerel or tuna. The smooth rotation helps prevent line twist, which is crucial when dealing with these agile species. Bead swivels. These swivels have a bead on one end, adding weight and attracting fish with its flash. The bead can also serve as a stopper for certain types of rigs. They're often used for bottom fishing or when targeting species attracted to movement and flash, such as flounder or catfish. The added weight helps keep your bait near the bottom, where these fish are commonly found. Each type of swivel has its strengths and specific applications. Understanding these can help you make more informed decisions when setting up your fishing gear. So, it's important to choose the right one for your fishing style and target species. Whether you're fishing in a calm lake or the open ocean, the right swivel can make all the difference in your success and enjoyment on the water. Specialized swivels. While the swivels mentioned above cover most fishing situations, some specialized options cater to specific needs. Asterisk double swivels. These have 3 swiveling ends, allowing for multiple rig configurations and reducing line twist in complex setups. Snap swivels with beads. These combine the benefits of a swivel with the added attraction of a bead, making them ideal for finesse presentations. Remember, the key is to select a swivel that complements your fishing style and maximizes your chances of success. A guide to size and strength. Choosing the right swivel, a guide to size and strength. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of selecting the perfect snap swivel for your fishing needs. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, understanding the importance of the right swivel can make a significant difference in your fishing experience. Selecting the right snap swivel is crucial for a successful and enjoyable fishing trip. The right swivel ensures that your line remains untangled and your bait or lure moves naturally in the water, increasing your chances of a catch. It's not just about preventing line twists, it's about enhancing your overall fishing performance. Here are key factors to consider: line diameter and strength. The diameter of your fishing line plays a pivotal role in determining the appropriate swivel size. A thicker line requires a stronger swivel to handle the increased tension, while a thinner line needs a more delicate swivel to maintain its natural movement in the water. Choose a swivel that matches the breaking strength of your fishing line. This ensures that your line can withstand the pressure exerted by the fish without snapping. Matching the swivel to the line's breaking strength is essential for maintaining the integrity of your fishing setup. Using a swivel that's too weak will result in break-offs, while one that's too strong will create an unnatural presentation. Size. The size of the swivel is another critical factor. A swivel that's too large can be easily spotted by fish, making them wary of your bait. Conversely, a swivel that's too small may not provide the necessary strength, leading to potential breakages. The swivel's size should be proportional to the size of your bait or lure. A well-matched swivel and lure combination ensures that your bait moves naturally in the water, mimicking the behavior of real prey and enticing fish to strike. A large swivel with a small lure will look unnatural and deter fish. Material. The material of the swivel is equally important. Different materials offer varying levels of durability and resistance to corrosion, which can significantly impact your fishing success. Stainless steel swivels are durable and corrosion resistant, making them ideal for saltwater fishing. They can withstand the harsh conditions of saltwater environments, ensuring that your gear remains in top condition for longer periods. Bronze swivels are more affordable but less resistant to corrosion, making them better suited for freshwater. While they may not last as long as stainless steel swivels, they are a cost-effective option for anglers who primarily fish in freshwater environments. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose a snap swivel that perfectly complements your fishing setup. Remember, the right swivel can enhance your fishing experience, making it more enjoyable and successful. So, take the time to select the best swivel for your needs, and you'll be rewarded with better catches and fewer frustrations on your fishing trips. Attaching your swivel. Knots and know-how attaching your swivel. Attaching a snap swivel to your fishing line is a simple process. Here are two reliable knots you can use: the improved clinch knot and the Palomar knot. The improved clinch knot is versatile, easy to tie, and provides a secure connection for most fishing lines. On the other hand, the Palomar knot is known for its exceptional strength and is ideal for use with braided lines. Once your swivel is securely attached, you can easily snap on your leader, lure, or bait. Tips for tangle-free fishing. Smooth sailing. Tips for tangle-free fishing. Fishing is a beloved pastime for many, offering a chance to connect with nature and unwind. However, nothing can ruin a peaceful day on the water faster than tangled fishing lines. In this chapter, we'll share some essential tips to help you keep your lines tangle-free and ensure a smooth fishing experience. Using a snap swivel is a surefire way to reduce line twist and tangles. Snap swivels allow your line to spin freely, preventing it from coiling up and causing knots. This small but mighty tool can make a significant difference in your fishing experience. But here are some additional tips for a smooth fishing experience. First, check your swivel. A well-maintained swivel is crucial for preventing line twist. Before each fishing trip, inspect your swivel for signs of wear and tear. Look closely for any rust, cracks, or bent parts. These imperfections can hinder the swivel's ability to spin freely, leading to line twist. If you notice any damage such as rust, cracks, or bent parts, replace the swivel immediately. Using a damaged swivel can cause more harm than good, leading to frustrating tangles and potentially lost catches. Replace any damaged swivels immediately. Keeping a few spare swivels in your tackle box can save you a lot of trouble on the water. Next, use the right lure. The type of lure you choose can significantly impact the amount of line twist you experience. Some lures, like inline spinners, are more prone to causing line twist than others. Inline spinners, while effective, can create a lot of spin in your line, leading to tangles. If you're experiencing excessive twisting, consider switching to a different lure type. Experiment with various lures to find the ones that work best for you and cause the least amount of line twist. Lastly, reel in slowly. The speed at which you retrieve your line can also contribute to line twist. Retrieving your line too quickly can contribute to line twist. Reel in slowly and steadily, allowing the swivel to do its job. A slow and steady retrieve helps maintain the integrity of your line and reduces the chances of tangles. By following these tips, you can minimize the risk of tangles and enjoy a more productive and enjoyable fishing experience. Remember, a little preparation and attention to detail can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and successful fishing trip. Happy fishing! Common issues and solutions. Troubleshooting swivels, common issues and solutions. While snap swivels are generally reliable, you may encounter occasional issues. Here are some frequent issues and solutions. If your swivel becomes stuck, try applying a drop of lubricant, such as WD-40, to the moving parts. A broken swivel can be caused by using a swivel that's too small for the line strength or by excessive force. Always use a swivel that matches your line strength and avoid putting undue stress on the swivel. Regularly inspecting and maintaining your swivels can prevent most issues and ensure their longevity. Swivel care, keeping your gear in top shape. Proper care and maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your snap swivels. Here are some tips. Rinse your swivels with fresh water after each fishing trip to remove any dirt, salt, or debris. After rinsing, dry your swivels completely with a clean cloth to prevent rust and corrosion. Store your swivels in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. By following these simple care tips, you can keep your snap swivels in top condition for many fishing adventures to come.